Hey guys, welcome back to 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. I know it's been a little bit since we posted a bike, but we've been pretty busy knocking the bikes out. So right now we got a special treat. This is Rob's 2023 Road Glide. It's a very, very, very beautiful bike. This color is very striking. This is model 91 of 600. So obviously it's a beautiful custom bike here. Look at that. It's beautiful. So on this bike here, we put quite a bit of product in there. There's a stack. It's got a Rockford Fosgate single 10. We put 110 in the bag. Just a single, not a double, just a single. We put 3 pairs of Diamond Audio MS Pro 65 mids. 1 pair. We've got 2 pairs, and we've got 3 pairs back here. And 3 pairs of the Diamond Audio custom horns that we do. There's your Road Glide uppers. There's your 6.5 lowers. We make these for liquid cooled, non-liquid cooled, and a touring pack in the rear. Now on this bike, we've got 2 Cerwin Vega amplifiers, a 6-channel and a 2-channel. So the 6-channel is running all 6 horns and all 6 mids. And the Cerwin Vega 2-channel is running just that 1 sub, and he may put a 2nd sub in here, and the amp will also run that. Also, we've got the bass knob put right in here, so you control the bass. All right, and there's our product right there. Bike sounds really, really, really good. I'm gonna listen to a song tonight. We're gonna do it from Iron Cross. It's called All Right Now. People may remember from back in the day. It's an 80s song, maybe a 70s song. I'm not sure. And I haven't demoed it first. I don't know what it's going to sound like. Some of the songs are clean, some aren't. So let's find out. Get his band.
Maybe she's a need of a kiss.
guys, that's the Iron Cross band. You should check them out on YouTube. This band and that girl sings a lot of songs, hundreds of songs, old school 80s, a little bit earlier, some 70s stuff, and been playing that lately because seems to be okay using their music, and they're a really good band, and it's a lot of different selection music versus just Tom MacDonald all the time. I know you guys like Tom MacDonald, but sometimes, you know, if he doesn't have new music out, I don't want to keep playing the old music over and over. I tested this bike earlier, and I hit about 133.5 on it. I got about 121.2 out of it now, very respectable. But I think the song choice kind of held us back there, which is okay. And I didn't have max volume on the radio. And when I tune bikes, I tune to max volume on a particular song that I tune to that I believe will compensate for any song customers will listen to on their bike a couple bars back from max volume. I don't recommend max volume. But if I could tune it to max volume on the song that I tune to with no distortion, not a hint of distortion, customers in pretty good shape. And that's referenced in the amount of very, very, very low quantity of return speakers for our online customers. Like we pre-tune the amps. We send detailed tuning instructions when we ship the product to a customer that I just don't think most other sellers out there understand. It's not rocket science. It's very simple. I'm gonna get you 95% of the way there. You're just gonna fine tune, tweak it a little bit, and the detailed instructions are simple. It's a 2-year-old could do it, guys. All you guys frustrated out there about tuning bikes, wanting to use DSPs and all that, you know, you can. It's a free world. Choose as you want to do. There's no DSP on this bike. You know, there's no DSPs on any of these bikes right here, as a matter of fact. You know how, you know how. I share that information to the buyers that buy from us, and I show them how simple it is. So, guys, 702 Motoring Las Vegas, that's the product we used. This is Rob's beautiful 23 Road Glide. It's nice to get some colorful bikes in here. We got a lot of black. Been having a lot of black ones. Thanks for listening. Got any questions? Give us a holler, guys. Thank you.